On the count of 7, 8, lower your hands to grab the partner's hand like this. Let's continue with the man's perspective. Take a step to the right side, raise your right hand above the lady's head, rotate her clockwise. Then take a step away from each other, shift your weight to the left leg, left hand goes to the side. Shift your weight to the right leg again and pull the lady toward you. Initiate her spin by leading your right hand to the right side as you turn to face her. Connect your feet, create the frame. This frame is rather small, unofficial, just make sure to place the right hand on the lady's shoulder blade, left hand should be exactly in the middle of the distance between the two of you and holding the lady's right hand, keep your elbows away from your body. Now the lady's perspective, at the end of the diagonal steps forward, lower the left hand, place it in the man's right hand. Now take a step to the right side, rotate clockwise, keep the steps small. Right leg, left one feet together and side step to the right away from each other. Now rotate counterclockwise, taking 3 steps. Start with the left leg, right one and connect your feet, end up facing the man, creating the frame. In the frame, left hand goes on top of the man's right arm without putting a lot of weight on it. Your right hand goes into the man's left hand like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.